My name is Linos-Alexander Sicilianos. I am Vice President of the European Court of Human Rights. My subject of today will be the European Court of Human Rights facing the Security Council towards systemic harmonization. The judicial review of measures implementing decisions of the United Nations Security Council has proved to be an important and sensitive issue in international law. The question has been recently examined by the Institute of International Law. The same issue has repeatedly arisen in the case law of the European Court of Human Rights, from the 2005 Bosphorus judgment to the recent Al-Dulimi case, with a number of other significant cases along the way. Beyond the technical aspects of those cases, the central question they raise concerns the relationship between the United Nations system and that of the European Convention on Human Rights.